Imagine waking up deep in the forest, surrounded by towering trees, cool morning air, and the peaceful sound of birds singing outside your window. Now imagine all of that happening inside a futuristic 2027 camper, tricycle tiny home that looks like it came straight out of a dream. This incredible three-wheeled home on wheels is changing the way people think about travel, freedom, and affordable living. At first glance, this camper tricycle already feels different from anything you've ever seen. The sleek forest-inspired exterior blends perfectly into nature, almost like it was designed to disappear among the trees. The deep green finish, warm wooden details, and glowing LED lights create a cozy but futuristic vibe that instantly grabs attention. And honestly, nobody expects a tiny tricycle camper to look this luxurious. But wait until you see the inside. The moment the door opens, the entire space transforms into a surprisingly modern tiny home. Every inch is carefully designed to maximize comfort, while keeping the compact layout functional. There's a soft sleeping area with hidden storage underneath, a foldable dining setup, and even a mini kitchen that looks straight out of a luxury cabin retreat. It's hard to believe all of this fits inside a three-wheeled vehicle. And here's the craziest part. This camper is built for complete off-grid adventures. Mounted on the roof are advanced solar panels powering lights, charging stations, ventilation systems, and smart appliances. That means you can park this tiny home deep in the mountains, near a lake, or right in the middle of the forest without worrying about electricity. For people tired of expensive rent and crowded cities, this feels like pure freedom. Now, picture driving this thing through narrow forest roads where massive RVs could never fit. That's the beauty of the tricycle design. It's compact, lightweight, easy to maneuver, and surprisingly fuel efficient. Whether you're exploring hidden camping spots or taking a weekend road trip, this tiny home turns every journey into an adventure. And somehow, despite its size, it still manages to feel warm and relaxing inside. The wooden interior panels mixed with soft ambient lighting create the atmosphere of a luxury forest cabin. At night, the camper glows softly among the trees, looking almost magical. It's the kind of setup that makes people stop scrolling instantly. What makes this 2027 forest camper even more exciting is how practical it really is. Rising housing costs are pushing more people toward alternative living, and tiny mobile homes like this are becoming the future. Instead of paying huge monthly rent, imagine owning a compact home you can take anywhere. Wake up near rivers one week, camp beside snowy mountains the next, and spend your evenings under the stars surrounded by nature. The storage solutions inside are honestly genius too. Hidden cabinets, foldable furniture, and multi-purpose spaces make the camper feel much larger than it actually is. There's room for travel gear, cooking supplies, clothing, and even entertainment systems. It proves that small living doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. And let's talk about the design for a second, because this thing looks absolutely stunning at night. The soft exterior lights, reflecting through the forest trees, create a cinematic atmosphere that feels straight out of a futuristic movie. It's part tiny home, part adventure vehicle, and part luxury escape pod. You can already imagine content creators, travelers, and nature lovers becoming obsessed with this idea. Social media would explode with videos of this camper parked beside waterfalls, hidden in forests, or cruising along scenic mountain roads. It's not just transportation anymore, it's a lifestyle. But beyond a futuristic design and cozy interior, this camper represents something bigger. Simplicity, freedom, the ability to disconnect from stress and reconnect with nature without giving up comfort. That's why people are falling in love with compact, mobile homes like this. And honestly, if tiny homes continue evolving at this level, the future of travel could look completely different. Instead of giant expensive RVs, we might see more lightweight, eco-friendly, adventure-ready campers designed for real exploration. So the big question is, could you actually live in something like this full-time? Imagine trading city traffic and expensive bills for forests, lakes, mountain views, and endless freedom. For a lot of people, that sounds less like a dream and more like the future. And after seeing this stunning 2027 forest camper tricycle tiny home, it's honestly hard not to want one.